The 2013 Optima Hybrid. The all-new Kia Optima Hybrid offers the style and performance of the Kia Optima with the added benefits only found in hybrid vehicles, including the idle stop-and-go feature, which automatically switches off the engine when the vehicle is idle. If you're looking for a quality, high-performance hybrid you can feel good and green about driving, look no further than the Optima Hybrid. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, power steering, front wheel drive, FWD, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, fog lights, child safety rear door locks, front stabilizer bar, carpeted floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.